Victor Wembanyama has everybody moves. This is Tim Duncan move. This one is Kevin Durant moves. His favorite player.
Wow. My goodness.
Another Kevin Durant move.
On a catch and shoot from Wembanyama.
This is Giannis Antetokounmpo move like.
Baseline, passing in traffic to Wembanyama, who hammers it home. Timeout Phoenix. 16 of 31. Here is Brandon with that left hand. Swings it out.
This right here, Steph Curry shots. Catch and shoot. This explosion got to be Giannis move.
And plenty of contact. Wembanyama runs the floor, hammers it home.
More Giannis Explosion moves.
Booker's got to be careful with Wembanyama. You make fantastic here. Trust me, they would love to end this quarter.
This is Trae Young move.
Wembanyama walking into the three, and he will get it. So I'm have to shoot that fade.
Do not forget to subscribe to Live All Sports TV 1 for some more.